Welcome back to Cooking with Hua. This is my 12 Days of Christmas series. For day 1, I will be making fried meat wontons. You will need 8 ounces of ground turkey or protein of your choice, 1 cup of chopped cabbage, 1/4 cup of chopped chives or green onions, 2 cloves of garlic grated and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger grated, 30 to 35 wonton wrappers, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, half a tablespoon oyster sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, or if it's too spicy, you can leave it out, and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and you can use any sugar of your choice. Your grated ginger and garlic. I also have half a tablespoon of oyster sauce and 1/4 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Add in your cup of chopped cabbage or vegetable of your choice, 1/4 cup of your chives or green onions. And then all you have to do is mix everything in one circular motion, and this will take about 5 minutes. Make sure everything is well combined. Separate the wonton wrappers and have about half a cup of water ready to seal the wontons. Take 1 tablespoon of the meat filling. Place it in the center of the wonton. Seal 3 sides of the wontons with some water. Fold it in half, squeeze out any air pockets. Fold down the top edge of the wonton. Squeeze the end of the wonton and seal the bottom with some water. Place the meat filling in the center of the wonton wrapper. Seal the sides of the wonton with some water. Fold the wonton wrapper in half and squeeze tightly, and you are done. This is the second way to fold your wontons. Take about 1 tablespoon of your meat filling. Then you want to seal the sides of the wonton wrappers. Then fold it in half like a triangle and squeeze out any air pockets, and you are done. The last way is to take some water, put it at the bottom of the triangle, and fold them in together and squeeze. All you have left to do is to fill the rest of your wrappers with the meat filling. The recipe will be in the description box. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like button. It will help my channel. Subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out day 2 of my Christmas series. Heat up some cooking oil. I have it on medium heat. And you'll want to fry the meat wontons for about 7 to 8 minutes. We only put about a tablespoon of meat filling, so it should be done cooking by 7 to 8 minutes. Then you want to serve it up with some sweet chili sauce. This is the perfect appetizer for the upcoming holidays. I really hope you do try my fried meat wonton recipe. And make sure you head back to my channel tomorrow for another recipe of day 2 of my 12 Days of Christmas series. Thanks so much, you guys. Happy holidays.